Imagine two food banks. Both receive food donations, both serve vulnerable communities, both want to use AI to reduce food waste and improve food distribution. Tomorrow, we give both food banks the exact same AI solution. One succeeds, but one struggles. Why? Because the problem is not access to AI, the problem is readiness. Our proposal is a responsible AI readiness framework that helps food banks build the trust, governance, and capacity they need before scaling AI. Our team explored how responsible AI can support food security, and through our research, we selected the Global Food Banking Network (GFN) as our focus organization due to its global reach, impact, and growing interest in digital transformation. Sabrina?
Let's start with Food Bank B. Like many organizations across the GFN network, it may still rely heavily on spreadsheets, emails, phone calls, and volunteer knowledge. The challenge isn't unique. GFN operates across 55 member organizations in 46 countries, serving millions of people through highly diverse operating environments. As AI adoption accelerates, five barriers emerge: poor data quality, limited AI skills, weak governance, privacy concerns, and fear of unintended consequences. The result is a trust gap. AI may be available, but organizations are not equally prepared to use it responsibly. Ashraf.
Now let's compare Food Bank A and Food Bank D. Both may be experimenting with AI, but only one has the governance skills data foundation needed to use it safely. That's why our key finding is simple. Food banks do not have an AI problem, they have a readiness problem. Before introducing AI, we assess six critical capabilities, starting from data quality, AI skills, governance, privacy, cybersecurity, and AI responsible controls. This allows EY and GFN to identify who needs foundational support, who is ready for a supervised pilot, and who is ready for a controlled expansion. Carla?
This brings us to our solution, not an AI product, a responsible AI readiness framework. The most important design principle is co design. The framework is built with food banks for food banks. It guides organizations through six stages, such as readiness assessment, data governance, responsible AI controls, learning and capability building, pilot use cases, and impact reporting. The value of this approach is practical and immediate: less time spent manually matching and coordinating food, fewer expired donations, and faster movement of food to communities that need it most. The outcome is that food banks become capable AI users who can safely adopt technology without being dependent on it. Next, on to you, Saga.
Let's go back to our two food banks. Once readiness is established, AI can start adding value. Using data food banks already collect, such as donations, inventory level, expiry dates, and local demand, AI can forecast demand and recommend where food should go. But here is an important question. If AI recommends sending food to community A instead of community B, who makes the final decision? The answer is food bank manager. AI supports human judgment. It does not replace human judgment. Rajesh.
Measuring impact and value realization, we measure success differently. Success isn't AI adoption only. Success is food security. The framework improves data quality and decision making. Better decision leads to better food matching. Better food matching means less waste and more meals delivered. The impacts we expect include improved food recovery efficiency, faster food matching, and improved forecasting accuracy. Ultimately, every metric points back to one question: did we recover more food? Did we feed more people? And that's where EY ripples come in. Ashraf.
Let's finish with our two food banks. Today, one is ready and one is not. Without a readiness pathway, deploying AI could increase risk, create inconsistency, and undetermined trust. Our recommendation is to launch GFN Responsible AI Readiness Program. We start small, pilot maybe with a few food banks and learn what works, and then scale across the network. Because ultimately the goal is not to scale AI, the goal is to scale impact. More food recovered, less food wasted, and more communities fed. Technology is not the bottleneck, readiness is. Thank you.